Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your loan application status in Lendio. Monitoring your loan application ensures that you stay updated on progress and respond promptly to lenders' requests. Here's how to track it in Lendio. First step, log into your Lendio account. Then navigate to the loan application or my application section on your dashboard. Locate the specific loan application that you want to track. Click on View Status or the application name to see its details. The status may show pending, in review, approved, or rejected along with the lender's comments. Check for any alerts or document requests that require immediate action. Lendio may also display expected response times or estimated approval timeline. You can enable email or mobile notifications to receive updates automatically. Now, if the status hasn't changed for several days, you can contact Lendio support for clarification. Keep your contact information and documents up to date to avoid delays in lender decision. Tracking your status helps you to act quickly and ensure smoother funding approval. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.